The army administration followed by the Mughal Empire. The Mughals introduced the Mansabdari system. The term Mansab means rank or position. The Mansab was the person who held a particular rank. His rank determined his salary and his military responsibilities. A Mansab rank was divided into two, Zat and Zawar. The former determined the number of soldiers under him, the latter the number of houses he was expected to maintain. At the same time, the Mansab maintained one full-fledged army with the animal horses. The Zat ranks ranged from 10 to 10,000. Generally, those above 15,000 were given only to princes. The salary of a Mansabdar was fixed in cash. However, it was paid by assigning him a jagir, the taxes from which would be equal to his salary. He was expected to collect the revenue from his jagir and with the money collected maintain his household and pay his troops. Calculate the yearly salary of Mansab. If he paid 2.50 per month for each soldier under him and rupees 1.25 per month for each house he maintains. So Mansabdars were promoted, demoted or transferred according to the wishes of the empire. His rank was also not hereditary. When a Mansab died, his jagir was taken away and given to someone else. Agriculture. The Mughal empires or the Mughal kings followed a good agricultural system in his period in Mughal Empire. So let's see the agriculture things followed by the Mughal Empire. We already know that land was the main source of revenue. The revenue obtained from it was used to maintain large armies. The huge administrative apparatus for the upkeep of kings, nobles and jagirdars. All rulers tried to increase the productivity of the land. Loans were given to the peasants to buy agricultural tools, better seeds, etc. The rulers also encouraged peasants to bring more land under cultivation by exempting them from paying taxes on such lands for a few years. Most peasants lived at a subsistence level, then paid one third of the total produce as revenue to the emperor. This gradually increased to one half in times of natural calamities. However, the revenue was either reduced or sometimes totally written off. The peasants had a hereditary right to cultivate their land. They could not be evicted as long as they paid the revenue. However, increasing demand for revenue gradually resulted in many peasants becoming landless. They began to work on the land of the zemindars for wages. This produced alarming consequences in later years. At the same time, the normal peasants of the period they practiced many agricultural food crops like paddy, wheat, barley, etc. This type of cultivations is very helpful for the people lived in that particular period.